Welcome to 3710 Central Avenue, your newest luxury listing. I'm your luxury listing agent, Landon. I want to take a tour on this property. Come on in. One of the first things I want you to notice about this property is the double door entrance. That is just traditional for this type of property in the 1920s. This property, I think you're going to really like it because it's got that charm that people really want downtown in this area, but it's got modern updates. Let's take a tour. Here we are in the kitchen area. As you can tell, throughout this property, it has the older charm, the 1920 feel of the property, but this kitchen has been totally renovated. That's what people want in these properties. Let's take a look at some of this kitchen. This has quartz countertops, has a deep sink, brand new cabinetry. The blue color is delightful. Stainless steel appliances. Take a look. Here we are in this bonus bedroom. It's on the third floor of this property. A lot of these properties are built in the 1920s, had this extra bonus space. This could be used as a bonus room, a bedroom, whatever you'd like. It's a great opportunity for you. Take a look. Here we are in the basement area on this property on Central Avenue. Couple things I want you to know about this particular property. We have a brand new furnace just installed. That's a $20,000 upgrade. Months ago it was just installed. The other thing is, I'm a Broad Ripple guy. I live in Broad Ripple. My basement's not even this tall. Check it out. I think you'll like what you see. Here we are, we made it to our final destination. We're above the garage space. What I think a future buyer is going to just love about this, you have your work from home without having to be in the home. You can get outside from it. Take a look at this.